Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You begin by ensuring the device is on a stable Wi-Fi network and has at least 50% battery so the update won't fail. Next, unlock your Samsung J5 and open the Google Play Store. You need the Play Store because it manages app updates. In the search bar, type YouTube, then locate the official app entry. Tap the app to open its page and press Update if available. This initiates the download and prepares the app for installation. Once you tap Update, you monitor the download progress via the Play Store or the notification shade. This helps you ensure the file transfers correctly. If the update requires permissions, read and accept only those necessary, because granting extras can change app behavior. During installation, avoid running heavy apps or rebooting the phone, since interruptions can corrupt the update. Make sure storage is sufficient. If not, free up space and restart the update to let the installer complete cleanly. After installation, open YouTube to confirm the update applied, and that features load normally. Sign in again if prompted so your subscriptions sync. If the app crashes or items fail to load, go to Settings, right arrow Apps, right arrow YouTube and clear cache, then force stop and reopen. This often resolves configuration glitches. If problems persist, uninstall updates or reinstall the app from Play Store. As a last resort, reboot the phone and try again to recover a clean state.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.